ever see. Doesn't matter. The form doesn't matter. The shot went in and it was a swish like Jack said. Rarely would you see a contest at a timeout generate the kind of
Was it Taco Tuesday? What is it, D? Bryce, what is it? What is it? Bronny, what is it? Taco Tuesday! Taco Tuesday!
Just being aggressive and doing what I normally do, and that's take high percentage shots. Take high. You knew you were getting some. Ball being thrown in and hits him right in the face. Breaks the goggles. Yeah, that was LeBron picked up the lens. Lenses. LeBron put some more. Ball being thrown in.
It ain't our ball. It ain't our ball. It ain't our ball. It's our ball, ain't it? It's our ball. Hey, it's our ball. It's our ball. James has laid the ball up down there. It's our ball. It ain't our ball.
First game back since March. Got me on the floor. I don't know what to say. I gotta get up and get in the shower though. Oh. Man.
Hit the rolling stone with the rodeo. Tag portfolio. So you lonely? Happy birthday again. Baby, won't you come my way? Happy birthday.
Yo, 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 what it do? It's your boy Al Wu with the shoe. Bringing y'all that banging content, man. Do me a favor, we on the road to 1,000. Hit that subscribe button and that like button on the way out. Today, I wanted to talk to y'all about LeBron-James, Mr. James, King James. That's right, LeBron James and all of his antics. Yes, y'all saw all of that. Come on, man. Your boy LeBron is a class act, off court and on court. Not only does he have those quirky humors, the Taco Tuesday, yeah. The dog is having fun, man, playing 20 plus years in the NBA. He got his son on his same team, man. The guy has won 4 NBA championships, multiple gold medals, 3 of them boys. He has multiple MVPs, multiple final MVPs, multiple All-Star games, 20 plus All-Stars. The dude is one of a kind. So I bet you Y'all not gonna appreciate greatness until it's gone, unfortunately. So I want to give you the flowers while you're here. And then we looked over your hilarious moments. King James, Go James, LeBron-James. Dog is funny, man. You seen him in the movie Trainwreck. He has his own movie production. So maybe he'll be an actor after his NBA days is over with. But those moments was hilarious. Did you see how he photobombed Dwayne Wade? Looking in the camera, I miss those days, man. Miss those Heat days. That was good times. Good old pure entertainment on a high level. So shout out to LeBron James. The man has had 20 plus years of a great and outstanding career. So shout out to y'all and every family member. Support Al Wu with the shoe. Go check out the merch. Will be coming soon. Do yourself a favor and tell a friend to meet us at 10. We'll be back, y'all. Peace. Yo, hello? Yeah. You guys need some more shoe content. You guys need some more ideas with shoes and how you deal with them. All right, man. You know what to do. Subscribe, hit the like button, share. I know people are always going to be calling. The shoes is calling. Listen, y'all like the content, subscribe, share it, man. Let's get this platform grown bigger than a giant. I mean, we need it like Goliath size big, guys. We on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Let's get this video 100 likes. We got some sauce coming for y'all. Merch gonna be coming in. Telling y'all, tap in, and we're gonna show y'all how y'all get these on y'all feet. So subscribe, Al Wu with the shoe.